Hi guys, welcome to our channel. First of all, we will give you a big thanks and love to our channel, the support in 2020. Then Happy New Year to you and your family. In 2021, we will still working and learn together. If you have any new plan in new year or other new idea you want to know, please write down below. We will work together and make a lot better, okay, to improve our English level, getting higher and higher, okay? Let's work together. Then I'm going to talk about little tips, okay? I got a lot of people asking in the time how they use at, on, and in. I know it's the prepositions always get confused and a little confused. So today I'm gonna give you little tips. First of all, for the time guys, if less than 24 hours, we use what? We use at. Okay. If you describe the things, they're talking about the time less than 24 hours, we use at. For example, at 12 o'clock, at 9 p.m. Okay. I had dinner last night at 8 p.m. at that point. At 9 o'clock, at 8 o'clock. I always go to the bed at 8 p.m. Number 2, if the time more than 24, more than one day, how to use it? Use in. In summer, in winter, in July, in 2020. Okay. Number 3, if the time is just on one day, just in the day 12 hours, during the 24 hours, we use what? We use on. On Sunday, I will see my mom. Okay. On Monday, I work every Monday. I work on Monday every week. Okay, get it? This is 3 special use in. You try to remember. It's very special. Always, never change. Okay. No at, no on, only in. In the morning, in the afternoon, and evening. Okay, you get it? Okay, thanks guys for watching. We will see you next video. Have a good new year. Have a good time with the family. Bye bye.